Alright, so today, guys, we're going to be talking about why you should work out. Hopefully this thing loads a little bit. Alright. So, working out, it's very beneficial for you, and there's a lot of cool things you can do with it. First, let's start off by working out from home. While working out at home, it's really simple. You really don't have to go anywhere. You just have to, be at home, sit around. There's different exercises you can do. There's like push-ups, there's planks, there's weights if you like to buy those. Another thing with working out at home is no one stares at you. It's just you. You don't have to worry about someone from across the gym looking at you all weird and stuff like that. Another thing is making your own meals can be done without having to drive back and forth. So it's easy to consume what you need to in order to get your required proteins, your fibers, etc. And there's no limit as to when you want to work out. You can do it anytime, anywhere. It's fine, and as long as you're okay with it, you can work out. There are some benefits to going to the gym. It can be rewarding because when you go to the gym, you feel like you just worked out, you got that workout in, and you're ready and charged, do it again. Some people go to the gym to lose weight. If that's your goal, you do whatever exercises are geared towards you and what you wish to do. Let's see. You can stay in shape as well. That kind of goes hand in hand with losing weight. If you want to stay in shape, you can. It also promotes good habits. And by good habits, promotes good eating habits. Makes you feel more geared to want to work out. And all other fun stuff. The community at the gym is very friendly. I have a few friends at the gym who make life rewarding to go to the gym. And they make it seem like, they want you to be right there with you. They like to see you grow. As a person, I have been complimented numerous amounts of times by one of the workers. He's just working out. He goes, "I see you to be putting in that work. Good job." I was like, "Thanks." And the staff is friendly. I haven't met any staff that's not friendly yet, so I think they're, pretty good, well balanced. And last but not least, we have your personal goals. You can obtain the results you want at the time you want to do it. That goes along with making your own schedule of when you want to go to the gym. It also promotes healthy growth for your body. So while managing your time, you'll be able to manage what foods you're eating, what kind of health you want, and whatever results you desire.